Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a common issue that many of us face: SD cards not showing up, not working, or prompting you to format the disk when you insert it into your Windows PC. We'll walk you through several steps to fix these problems. So let's dive right in. First, let's start with the basics. Ensure your SD card is properly inserted into the card reader and that the card reader is connected correctly to your computer. If you have another SD card or a different card reader, try using them to rule out any hardware issues. Next, let's check if Windows recognizes the SD card in Disk Manager. Right-click in the Start button and select Disk Management. Now look for your SD card in the list of drives. If you see it, but it doesn't have a drive letter, you'll need to assign one. Right-click on the SD card in the list of drives. And select Change Drive Letter. Then click Add, choose a drive letter and click OK. Now if disk management doesn't help, let's check Device Manager. Right click on the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the disk drives and look for your SD card. If there's a yellow exclamation mark, right click on it and select Update Driver. Then follow the search automatically for drivers. If your SD card is still not working, we can use command prompt to fix possible file system errors. To do that, simply type in CMD in the search bar and select Run as Administrator. In command prompt, type chkdsk space capital E root F. Replace E with the actual drive letter of your SD card and press enter. If this also doesn't work and in none of the previous steps also worked, you might need to format the SD card. Warning, this will erase all data on the card, so make sure you have a backup if possible. Go to the disk management, then right click on your SD card and select Format. If you want a thorough format and click OK, simply press on Perform a quick format if you have your SD card. I don't have an SD card, so it hasn't been shown here. But if you're still having issues, consider using third-party software like Ease US Partition Master or Minitool Partition Wizard. These tools offer advanced features to repair and format SD cards. And I hope one of these steps helped you fix your SD card issue. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.